Hi, in this video we'll be showing you how to assemble this bar stool. So let's get into it. In steps 1 and 2 we'll be attaching pieces 3, 4, and 5. And so we'll start with step 1, and you want to put piece 3 upside down like this. And then you can take piece 4 and put it upside down as well in an X pattern. And when you want to line up those notches, might just take a little bit of force to get those to go all the way together, but you just want to make sure that they're flush. Then you can go ahead and move on to step 2. You'll take piece 5 and slide it down on the inside of the legs. And then you'll line up all of the holes, and then you can go ahead and put in the bolts. Put each one in only part way, that way you can move everything around and make sure they all line up before tightening completely. All right, once you have those all tightened, you're good to move on to the next step. In steps 3 and 4, we'll be attaching pieces 1 and 2 to the legs. So step 3, you want to take piece 2 and you want to turn each side so that they're facing this way and you can see all of the holes. And then you want to go ahead and line it up onto the legs so the holes all line up. And then just put each screw in part way until everything is lined up. Just make sure that you have the washers on each of your bolts. And once you have those lined up, you can tighten them all completely. And once they're tightened, you can put on piece 1. So with piece 1, you're going to want to lay it facing upside down. And then you can turn the legs on top of the piece. And then you'll just want to turn the entire base until the holes line up with piece 2. And then you can go ahead and put all your bolts in. All right, and once you have all of those bolts in all the way, then you're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new bar stool. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.